Long haul flights, 10 plus hours trapped in a flying metal tube, questionable food, and at least one crying baby. Sounds like paradise, right? Well, don't worry. I've got 15 travel tips to help you survive your next long haul flight without losing your mind. Tip number 1, choose your seat wisely. Want a window seat for epic cloud gazing? Or an aisle seat so you can escape quickly? Whatever you do, avoid the middle seat unless you enjoy an armrest battle with strangers. Tip number 2, bring your own headphones. Those free airline headphones, straight up torture devices. Bring your own unless you want to hear a baby scream in surround sound. Tip number 3, hydrate, but not too much. Stay hydrated to avoid feeling like a dried up raisin, but pace yourself unless you enjoy sprinting to the bathroom every 30 minutes. Tip number 4, go to the bathroom before you board. The plane hasn't even taken off, and somehow the bathroom is already a crime scene. Use the airport restroom beforehand. Tip number 5, pack your own snacks. Airplane food is basically a science experiment. Bring your own snacks unless you love mystery meat. Tip number 6, move it or lose it. Sitting for 10 hours straight. Not a great idea unless you want your legs to forget how to function. Stretch, walk around, or do some in-seat ankle circles. Tip number 7, master the art of sleeping upright. Sleeping on a plane is an Olympic sport. Neck pillow, eye mask, sheer determination. You got this. Tip number 8, charge everything before you board. Not all planes have charging ports. If your phone dies, your only entertainment will be reading the safety pamphlet. Tip number 9, bring a portable charger. A portable charger is survival gear. Don't board without one. Tip number 10, have a solid entertainment plan. Download movies, podcasts, playlists ahead of time. Unless you enjoy staring at the seat back in front of you for 10 hours. Tip number 11, don't trust the airplane blanket. The blanket? It's been reused more times than you want to know. Bring your own or layer up. Tip number 12, be selective about talking to strangers. Making friends? Great. Getting stuck with a talker for 12 hours? Not so great. Proceed with caution. Tip number 13, respect the armrest rules. Middle seat gets both armrests. It's the law of the sky. If you're in the aisle or window, don't be a savage. Share. Seriously though, I still can't win the armrest war. Tip number 14, avoid airplane coffee. Fun fact, airplane coffee might be made with the same water as the toilet. You've been warned. Tip number 15, land like a pro. Don't be that person. The doors aren't opening yet. Relax, stretch, and let the chaos unfold naturally. There you have it, 15 travel tips to survive long-haul flights like a pro. If you found this helpful or just mildly entertaining, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and let me know in the comments. What's your best long-haul flight tip? Visit my website for more travel tips and guides. There is a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow travelers. Until next time, safe travels.